The most secure way to run an MCP server is in complete isolation. But how do you safely pass just the configuration it needs without exposing your entire environment? You'll see how to load sensitive variables from a env file and inject only those into the server's isolated subprocess, keeping everything else completely contained. This pattern gives you precise control over what the server can access while maintaining strict security boundaries.
From .env, import .env values. From FastMCP client transports, import StdioTransport. Env equals .env values, env. Transport equals StdioTransport. Command equals Python. args equals server, pi. Env equals env. Client equals client, transport.
This demonstrates the transport abstraction pattern for client-server communication. The concept separates connection mechanics from business logic, letting you configure how clients interact with servers without changing either component. What makes this distinctive is its protocol-agnostic design, where the same client code can target local processes, HTTP endpoints, or in-memory instances just by swapping transport implementations. The pattern works through composition and dependency injection. Transports act as adapters that standardize communication protocols into a uniform interface, while the client remains unaware of the underlying mechanism. This separation enables runtime flexibility. You can switch between local development with STDIO, production HTTP services, or isolated testing with in-memory transports, all using identical client code. This approach solves environment fragmentation and deployment complexity. It lets you develop against local servers, then seamlessly transition to cloud services without rewriting client logic. The trade-off is initial configuration overhead, but the payoff comes in maintainability, especially in multi-environment systems where connection details vary between development, staging, and production. Let's break it down line by line.
From .env, import .env values.
Imports environment variables from an env file. This prevents hard-coding sensitive configuration, enabling different settings across development, testing, and production environments.
From FastMCP client transports, import StdioTransport.
This imports StdioTransport, FastMCP's transport layer for interprocess communication via STDIN/STDOUT. It enables the client to communicate with a FastMCP server running as a separate process, handling serialization and message framing automatically.
Env equals .env values, env.
This loads environment variables from the env file into a dictionary, using the .env values utility. Environment variables handle configuration securely, keeping sensitive data like API keys out of source control while making them accessible to the application.
Transport equals StdioTransport.
This initializes a StdioTransport for interprocess communication. It handles all I/O between this client and the FastMCP server process, routing commands and responses through standard input-output streams. The pattern enables clean separation between client and server while maintaining direct process communication.
Command equals Python.
Specifies the executable command for the subprocess. Here we explicitly use Python to launch the server script, ensuring the correct interpreter runs our server, pi regardless of the user's default shell configuration.
args equals server, pi.
Specifies the command line arguments for the subprocess. Here it passes server, pi, as the script to execute, effectively telling the transport, run this specific server file when launching the Python interpreter. This pattern isolates the server entry point, making it explicit which module contains the server logic.
Env equals env.
passes the loaded environment variables to the subprocess, ensuring the child process inherits the same configuration as the parent. Critical for maintaining consistent behavior between development and production environments. This closing parenthesis terminates the StdioTransport instantiation, finalizing the transport configuration with the specified command, arguments, and environment variables. It enables the client to communicate with the FastMCP server process, using the environment variables loaded from env for consistent configuration.
Client equals client, transport.
Instantiates the FastMCP client using the configured transport. This establishes the connection to the server process we just launched, enabling RPC communication between client and server. The transport parameter handles all serialization and process management. Environment configuration pattern. The DOTENV integration with StdioTransport demonstrates FastMCP's flexible environment handling, where subprocess isolation meets practical configuration needs through explicit variable passing. Environment variables passed via the env parameter completely replace the server's environment, not supplement it. This explicit approach prevents hidden dependencies while enabling reproducible server behavior across environments.
The server that inherits nothing controls everything.